Understanding kebabs in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving into the delicious world of the word kebabs. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also have a tasty bit of cultural knowledge. Kebabs are skewered and grilled or roasted meat dishes that have their origins in Middle Eastern cuisine. The word kebab might bring to mind images of meat pieces threaded onto a skewer, but there are various types of kebabs, each with its unique preparation and flavor profile. While there are numerous kebab varieties, let's discuss a few popular ones. 1. Shish kebab. Often consists of cubed meat, like lamb or chicken, threaded onto skewers with vegetables such as bell peppers and onions. 2. Doner kebab. This is a Turkish kebab where seasoned meat is stacked in the shape of an inverted cone and turned slowly on a rotisserie. Thin slices are shaved off as it cooks. 3. Seekh kebab, a popular South Asian variation, where spiced minced meat, usually lamb or chicken, is molded onto skewers and then grilled or roasted. Kebabs have made their way into English-speaking cultures, especially in places like the UK and Australia. They're not just a dish, but a part of late-night food culture, especially the doner kebab. If someone in the UK mentions grabbing a kebab after a night out, they're likely talking about a doner kebab wrap or sandwich. To help integrate this word into your vocabulary, here are some sentences. 1. I'm craving a kebab tonight. Let's go to that Middle Eastern restaurant. 2. She ordered a shish kebab with extra vegetables. 3. After the party, we stopped by the kebab stand for a quick bite. There you have it. Kebabs are more than just a dish. They're a cultural experience. We hope you've enjoyed this culinary journey and that the next time you hear or read the word kebab, you'll have a deeper understanding. Until next time, happy learning and happy eating.